Example 2. Kantai has 3 times as many cows as Mwangi. 3 times as many cows as Mwangi. Mwangi has 7 cows less than Mideva. If the total number of their cows is 32, how many cows has Mideva? So the first thing you need to do here, you have to be able to understand the question. Once you're able to understand the question, you will be able to interpret the information that has been given. We are dealing here with cows. So first you have to be able to give cows a certain letter. In algebra, we use letters to represent numbers. So what we are going to do, our cows is going to be equivalent to any letter of the alphabet that you want. Let us say our cows will be equals to Y. We read the question again. Try and get some context through it. Kantai has 3 times as many cows as Mwangi. Mwangi has 7 cows less than Mideva. So Mideva is going to have Y cows. Mideva has Y cows. Mwangi has 7 cows less than Mideva. That means Mwangi is going to have Y minus 7 cows. Kantai has 3 times as many cows as Mwangi. What you're going to do, you're going to equate Y minus 7, you're going to put it into the brackets, and you're going to put 3, meaning that Y minus 7 has been multiplied by 3. So, Kantai, we said that Kantai has 3 times more cows than Mwangi. So Kantai is going to be 3 into Y minus 7. That way, we're able to see that Kantai has 3 times more cows than Mwangi. Now once we have the values of all our participants, we begin solving our equation. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to say 3 y minus 7 plus y minus 7 is going to give us 32. Now, before we move on, ensure that everything that is inside these brackets has been multiplied. A lot of errors come in once you don't multiply the values that are inside this bracket. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say 3y minus 3 times negative 7 is 21 plus y minus 7 is going to give me that 2. I'm going to move on now. Once you have done all this, you now put like terms together. Y's will go with y's and the whole numbers will go with the whole numbers. So 3y plus y plus y. This is going to give us 5y. Negative 21 minus 7. This is going to give us negative 28. And this is going to be equivalent to 32. The next thing that I am going to do, I am going to take negative 28 to the other side. Remember, you take the sign that is before the number together with the number to the other side. Once you do this, the sign has to change. So it is going to be plus 28. If I take that 2 plus 28, I am going to get 60. So 5y is going to be equivalent to 60. I am going to divide both sides by 5. Once I do that, I am going to get my y as 12. Once you are able to do these easy steps, you're going to be able to do these questions very nicely. Remember what I said, anything that is inside the bracket, ensure that you multiply every single equivalent so that you can be able to do the question correctly. If you fail to do this, you're going to get an error in your question. And that, folks, is how you form and solve algebraic equations.
May God bless and keep you always.
And subscribe.
May your wishes all come true. May you always